Hello students, today we are going to perform our next practical, that is activity lifecycle in Android. So let's get started. First, we'll create our new Android project. To do the same, we have to select the empty view activity, click on next, give your application some name. For example, here I am giving the name activity lifecycle demo. Click on the finish button. Now the next part, your project will be created. Under the main activity.java, we'll add our code. So you have to add your code here. But before adding with our code, we have to add our tag. So that we'll define one new tag here. Private, static, final, and then string, because it's a tag. So tag is equal to, I will write one tag name to identify our life cycle methods. So activity life cycle, give semicolon. Now the next part, let's get started with the functions of your life cycle. So first, before starting with the function, we'll add start activity. So toast.makeText. Then this is your current class, it represents your current class, and then one string onStart called, and then your toast notification. Basically, what is toast? Toast is just like a notification to show you some message on the Android application. And again the logd. Why we are using the logd? To show our message on the logcat. So logd, then our tag name, and then onStart called. Why we are using the tag name? To identify that onStart called into our logcat. Now I will add one override and then protected void onStart method. It is the inbuilt method inside your Android. Now just let's see what's the error. So we have to add super class. So I will click on it, add super call, and then we'll get our super call method here. Now we'll add one more toast notification so that we'll get the notification on our Android application. Now after creation of our onStart method, we'll toast one notification with the name onStart called with the length short and then show. Then again the same message is there, that is logd onStart call. We'll do the same process for the other methods as well. So the second method is our onResume. So after minimizing your application, you will resume your application. So I am creating one onResume. We'll change our text message as well to onResume, as well as our logcat to the onResume. We'll do the same for our next method. So our next method is onPause. So onPause is the minimizing your application, so it will be pause, so therefore onPause method, and then here as well onPause. Now the next part, next method, which is your onStop, that is stopping our application. So onStop, and under onStop we'll change our text message as well. As you can see, the whole code remains the same, you just have to change your method name. And then the last one is your onRestart, and then after on restart, and then last method is your onDestroy. So onDestroy will change our method name as well, and then we'll copy it and we'll paste it on the string as well. So onDestroy, that's it. Now let's see whether we are getting that log messages as well as the toast notification inside our application or not. So we'll run our application. Here we are getting our emulator. So just wait for a while. As you can see, we are getting the logcat here. Just click on the icon of your logcat and you will get your logcat here. After running your application, your logcat will show each and everything related to your mobile phone as well as related to your application. But we have to filter out our applications data. So we have to mention some keywords here, As you can see, we are getting some toast notifications here, but if we want to show it under the logcat, so we have to write one filter. So just write logd. As you can see, the process started with your tag name. Now I will minimize our application, but we are not getting any messages here now. So how we'll get our messages? We have to write our tag properly. So which is our tag name? Let's see our tag name now. Our tag name is activity lifecycle. So I will just copy that and we'll paste it here. Now as you can see here, all the messages of your logcat will be visible here with the D extension. As you can see, the onPause is called, onStop is called. Now as you can see, I am restarting my application, so on restart, and then onStart is again, and onResume. Now I will kill my application and let's see what we are getting. So after killing my application, I will get onStop as well as onDestroy. Okay class, so that's it for today. Thank you so much.